So, my XRP friends out there, welcome to a new XRP update video. Currently, we are trading at $2.24. We are seeing a pump across the entire market at the moment. After Bitcoin rose to 93,000 or even over 94,000 US dollars last night, the altcoins are slowly but surely following suit, and XRP is also coming out of its hole. Why it is still important to be cautious, you will definitely find out in today's update video, as well as how it looks with our, yes, possible-wise corrections. You will also find this out in today's update video. Before we start, feel free to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course feel free to hit the bell so that you always get a notification for every video. Yes, that a new video is on the channel. What else do I mean by that? And of course also join the free Telegram talk and signal group if you're interested in updates, news, and signals. If you're interested, the link is in the video description. And if you're also looking for an exchange where you can trade all of this, feel free to sign up with my partner exchange BingX. Links to that are also in the video description or in the comment section. Yes, XRP at $2.24. Hey, we are seeing movement. On the daily chart, it actually looks quite good already. Only the volume is still missing. That's the crux of this whole story. Of course, we have seen this movement with Bitcoin on the one hand. All well and good. Great. We are getting a new high with Bitcoin, or are at 95,000 US dollars. We are slowly but surely seeing movement with XRP again. But if we just carry on with the whole thing, we are still in a downtrend. That must still be clearly evident to us. It doesn't matter at all how we do it. We are in a downward movement, still on a larger scale. That must be clear. So forget about having too much hopium here. The second point is the trading volume. The volume is still very low, and still does not indicate that we are slowly getting a bit more bottom here. An impulse must follow. That's really how you can say it. An impulse must follow that is sustainably impulsive and long-lasting. We are missing that here. And that's also a bit of the problem we often have with XRP. You know these pumps, and then they sell out instantly. Pump, instantly sold off again. Pump, and instantly sold off again with a new low. And we have to wait a little bit for that now. It might be that we pump a little further now. That's all well and good. For this, let's quickly pull up the FIP level from our low. That is, from our high to our low. There we see, okay, we are exactly in the resistance area right now. This is also a crucial point because we have already been rejected 1, 2, 3 times. If we break this area, then the next resistance is up here, and wow. Then we have probably reached our yellow downtrend here. So at least it's good that we see a bit of movement here on the daily chart. But for a trend reversal, we need to at least close up here towards $2.50, recover, and then continue the trend impulsively. Do I believe in that? No. Do I believe in the 250? It's possible, depending on how long Bitcoin can hold at this level and if the altcoins can follow suit. Altcoin season, please, don't think about it. Not yet. Way too early. Volume, as I said, is just a bit too low. Otherwise, well, a small recovery and such. We have the chance here if we take a quick look at an inverse head and shoulders. This pattern is currently appearing in many altcoins. Here, it's a bit more exemplary, in my opinion. The breakout target is $2.50. I won't go further for now. Still, what about our correction potential? That is still the case. I continue to hold on to that because I still assume that Bitcoin can still fall towards 70,000 US dollars. That's why we might just move this golden pocket up a level. It wouldn't really change much. The zones remain the same down here towards $1.90, where the turning point could be, or then at $1.50. The chance is still there. I wouldn't write it off if I were you. Too much or too early hopium, I wouldn't advise against it at the moment because nothing has changed in the global situation. And I said this in the Bitcoin video this morning. The market is still the same as it was the day before yesterday or a week ago. There are no new news that currently justify a bull run. It's solely about devaluing the dollar and shifting it into other assets. And we ultimately see this in the crypto market, that the crypto market rises, US dollars flow into the crypto market. If the dollar stabilizes again, or shows signs of doing so, then the money will initially flow back there. Then we are back to a normal state. And if the Fed intervenes, then we can talk about a new bull run. But at the moment, I'm still a bit skeptical. 4-hour time frame, volume-wise, not really showing that extreme peak. RSI is already overbought, so just be extremely cautious here. 250 bullish variant. To the downside, these are still the long scenarios that continue to apply. Nothing has changed about that, and I will stick to it for now. Otherwise, feel free to write your opinion in the comments below what you think about it. Say, absolute nonsense. No, we're going to the moon now and we clear everything here. Or, no, Manuel, I agree with you. I'm still waiting for my entry prices. Then that's okay too. I'm fine with that. Let it out in the comments below. Otherwise, I would say that's it from my side. I wish you a nice day. Take care of yourselves. Until then, bye. Bye. And as always, stay great.